If you want to learn how to make lasagna soup the big baby's way, aka Vanessa Michelle, then keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So right now I am sauteing celery and carrots to soften that up a little bit, and then I'm also adding in some ground beef, and all the measurements for everything will be listed down below in the description box. Right now I'm gonna get ready to add in the ground turkey, get that minced and mixed up in there. Then we're gonna be adding in some chopped onions. I'm adding it in later on because the onions cook pretty fast. After that, I will be adding in some minced garlic and all of our herbs and seasonings, a few that I will mention, but everything will be in the description box, so don't fret. Make sure you have all your dried herbs such as rosemary, onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, rosemary, thyme, and Italian seasoning, just to name a few, and some cumin. But right here I have 3 beef bouillon cubes to chop up in there. If you have beef stock, you can add in some beef stock or the beef bouillon paste, which I actually really love. I just didn't have any on hand at the moment, but that's okay. We're gonna move forward into the tomato paste, where you will be sauteing that in the middle to deepen up the tomato flavoring. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because so many people watch my videos but are not subscribed. And I love to cook and everybody loves to eat. So definitely subscribe so you guys can know what other recipes that I will be dropping on my channel, or anything that I drop on my channel. But anyways, I'm adding in a can of diced tomatoes. And I also, in this stage, I did add in some red pepper flakes, which is optional because not everybody likes a lot of spice, but it added a nice little depth of flavor to the soup. And I also added in 2 bay leaves and 2 cups of water. Let that sit and cook. And then I also added in a can of salt-free tomato sauce. And then I used the whole box of lasagna noodles. I just followed the cook directions, and it's about 14 to 15 minutes of cooking time for the noodles. Make sure you have enough liquid in your pot so that the noodles will cook and they won't stick together. Once all that is done, you will be making your ricotta cheese. And in the ricotta cheese mix, I used the whole milk ricotta cheese. I added in some sour cream, Parm and mozzarella cheeses, parsley, garlic powder, black pepper, and some dried oregano. And then you're gonna mix all that up together. And once your noodles are at al dente, pretty much fully cooked, that's when you're going to add half of this mix into your pot and mix it together. And you're gonna let that sit in there for about 2 to 5 minutes, so the flavors from the cheese will marinate well in your soup, and it's just gonna be delicioso, just amazing. So as you can see, putting that in there, and then you're gonna mix it up. And then I know this is a very popular and also a viral recipe that's been trending on TikTok for years. This is the second time I've made it, but the first time I'm recording this recipe based on how I like to cook my lasagna soup. So I wanted to put y'all on to how I do it and everything. But look at that. You see how the color, and you see like the cheese pools, like it's so good. Like, y'all don't understand. But we're gonna put this in my bowl and we're gonna get ready to eat this together. So look at how pretty it is. I even topped it with a little bit more of the ricotta cheese mix that we made together. Let's dig in. Hey y'all, so this is the final product. This is the, what is it called? Lasagna soup. How can I forget?
the lasagna soup in its glory. And then on top, I did mix half of the ricotta mix that I made in the previous clip. I did mix it into the soup just to make it creamy and have some cheesiness and flavors flowing throughout it. And then of course I'm also topping it with it because I like cheese. So here we go. I'm gonna do the first bite. Ooh, and it has a nice little cheese pull too. It's hot. I don't know if you guys can see the steam on the camera, but it is hot. And it does have a little spice to it from the red pepper flakes, but it is so good. This is definitely something you guys should try and add into your rotation when you are creating recipes. I definitely do want to thank you guys for watching. Comment down below if you try this recipe and let me know what you think, or if there's any other soups or any other dishes you would like me to make or you want to try. Thank you very much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.